Manipur International Youth Center MIYC has stressed the need to reclaim the Meitei land which had been occupied by Kuki settlers after the ethnic cleansing of the Meiteis from various areas of Manipur during the recent violence that sparked off on May 3rd. A release issued by MIYC has revealed that around 1,449 Meitei houses of 19 villages in Churachandpur district, 1,030 houses in Kangpokpi district and 700 houses in More have been destroyed during the conflict, and no traces have been left of the Meiteis in these areas. All the houses and belongings of the Meitei had been destroyed using excavators. The release also noted that more than 393 Meitei temples have also been demolished during the ongoing violence. The Meiteis have been trying to hold peace talks with the Kuki CSOs to end the violence, but the Kukis have been remaining adamant not to have any talk with the Meitei community and the Manipur government, and instead have been pushing forward with their demand for separate administration.